It's a one-way ticket world on the runaway train. It's a lifetime searching for the beauty and pain. It's a long way to the last word of a never-ending page. It's like looking at your scars to remind you of your strength. The road leads you where you need to go. The heart tells you what you already know. Here's to miracles for diamonds. Heroes take the long way home. It's like street lights on the highway in the middle of the night. You'll find your way to heaven if you're following the signs. It's not about the pot of gold, some things you can't chase. It's about the simple kindness you give every day. The road leads you where you need to go. The heart tells you what you already know. Here's to miracles for diamonds. Heroes take the long way home. The road leads you where you need to go. The heart tells you what you already know. Here's to miracles for diamonds. Heroes take the long way home. Oh, heroes take the long way home.
Jeremy sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know that we would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees. Hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy. Let it melt there on our tongues. Laugh till we felt it in our lungs. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know what we would give up. Was it a dream, my love? looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know it when to give up. Was it a dream my love? Remember me just as I was.
Some days it feels like it's time to just lie down and quit. Sometimes you're thinking there must be more to it than this. Well, that takes some faith to believe. There's a lot to be said for just having some gas in your tank. I don't know. And maybe it's better to put a few bucks in the bank. Whatever can move us along, we'll carry on. We'll carry on through the dark of night, looking to right what is wrong. We'll carry on the hardest of days, finding a way to be strong. We'll carry on. One thing we know, it's our people that keep us alive. Friends and good neighbors and family, it's how we survive. When we get together, believe it, we'll carry on. We'll carry on. Party all night, sing all our favorite songs. We'll carry on. Yeah, we'll howl at the moon, 'cause we have a place we belong. So we'll carry on.
I fall asleep at night, and I wonder if you're real or a trick of the mind. Your voice is quiet, but I feel it resonate in my throat like it's mine. And you ask me, do you remember that blood is thicker than you know? Run all you want, it won't go cold. And the wait for you to come back home. Don't say you'd rather be alone. I'm up at 2 a.m. and I swear I see your shape at the end of the bed. Don't close your eyes, my love. You can try to shut me out, but it won't be enough. And I ask you if you remember that blood is thinner than you know. You can't just smile and let it go. I'm not the girl you used to know. Who are you asking to come back home? Who are you asking to come back home? My love looks over at me, and I'm reminded that I'm home with my family. 'Cause love